Gevi Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. Large interior capacity allows a variety of cooking options and meets various scenarios. It can carry 3 pounds whole chicken, 6 slices of toast, 12-inch pizza, 20 chicken. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Oil-free, healthy, fast, and delicious cooker. It adopts the new technology of cooking food by 360 degrees hot air circulation, which can offer you crunchy food with little or no oil. Built with 6 heating elements and thermal circulation fans, designed to heat faster, evenly, and cut your cooking time. Promise for a healthy and oil-less diet. 360 rotating rotisserie fork. Flexible to control the surface of the barbecue. Roasted chicken to be crispy, and the bottom is not burnt. Number 2. All-in-one air fryer oven. With a wide temperature range from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 13 one-touch preset functions meet all of your daily cooking needs, including air fry, roti, toast, bagel, bake, roast, broil, cookies, permanent, reheat, dehydrator, warm, etc. This air fryer oven comes with a dehydrating preset up to 48 hours of cooking time, so you can make jerky, coffee beans, dried fruits, peanuts, or others. Number 3. LED touchscreen and easy to operate. LED digital icon is visible. The 13 preset cooking menu makes any kitchen task so easy with just the press of a button. You can also manually adjust time, temperature, and the speed of fans for different kinds of delicious, which is also easy to use. It also has a light control which lets you see the progress of the food inside while it's being cooked through the large visible glass window. Number 4. Recipe, accessories, and after-sales service. Our air fryer oven includes cooking accessories for free. Oil tray, wire rack, chicken fork, rotisserie tong, fry net basket, and baking tray. In addition, we provide you with a 24-hour after-sales service. Please feel free to contact us when necessary. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.